Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer desu. In this video, we will do the assembly of solar module. So we'll assemble it. So what are the parts needed? P2, P6, A5, and P3. So we have A5. So let's take a look at our A5. Prepare our A5. What is the A5? So here is the A5. This is the A5. So let us use our side cutter to cut this off. Cut this off. Cut out one. There are two connections. So cut out another connection. So that is A5. And clean the connection. Clean the excess. No? Clean the excess. Yes, let's clean it. Okay. And we have A5. So we'll also need the B3. So we also need B3. So A5 and B3. So we also need B3. So that B3 is the green plastic part. So B3. So we have here, no? B3. So this is the B3 component. So this is 3. So B3. This is B3. So B1, B2, B3, B4. Okay. So B5, 1, 2, 3. So there are B6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let us cut off the B3 here, 1. So there are 3 connections here that we're going to cut. So 1, 2, and 3. So cut those connection and clean it up properly like this. Clean it up, and clean it up. Okay, so it looks like this. What happened? So let us prepare P6. Okay. So P6 is the one double-sided, no? Spans like this. This is a P6. And P2. P2 is the solar module. The solar module. P2. So we have P2, P6, okay, P2, P6, A5, and B3. These are the 3, these are the 4 necessary parts. So P2 here, P6 here, okay, and A5 we have here, and B3 here. So we are good to go and assemble it. So there are 4 steps. So let us do step 1. Step 1, take out the covering of the double-sided tape. No, that is a double-sided tape here. So take out the covering and place it on what B3. Place it on B3. So we need here this B3. So place it here. No? This is the location we have to place the double-sided tape. 1, 2. Okay. So let us prepare our double-sided tape here. Take the protective covering of the double-sided tape and place it here. One and two. Place it like this. One. Okay. Is then step number 2. So prepare our module. Okay. Okay. The module side. This is the proper one. So this is the module. Let's prepare the module. Okay. Prepare it. There's a plastic. We have to take out the plastic covering the module. Okay. And this looks like this. Okay. Looks like this. And this is the part wherein we need the module to catch the solar energy. We need this part is the solar energy sensor. Okay, it senses solar rays, then it will be converted into energy. So here, so let us take up the protective. Okay, what is the protective? So we have to place it. Okay, on the like that. Okay, place it like this. Okay, place it like this. Okay, so we have to look like this. So also we need to take up the protective. Let's take up the protective cover of the two double-sided tape so that it will be okay. So take out. Okay, there is a part here. Okay, nut. There is a nuts here. There's another one here. So the solar panel is perfectly placed like that. Okay, it is perfectly placed like that. That is how you have to place it on the B3. Okay, this B3. Then let us use A5 for step 3. That is the cover. Step 5. A5 is the cover. Step 3. This is A5. This is B3. Wherein the B3 already has the solar panel. So we have to put it like this. This is how to put it like that. Okay. So you have to place these pins exactly. Okay. These are the pins here. Exactly on the holes. So there are pin in hole like that. No? So the pins in holes must be as corresponds their position, so that you can just use your fingers, use your hand to press it, pressing it, press it like that. You can press it like that. Press, press, and here we go. Already have the solar panel. Okay. So it looks like this. Okay. So and the solar panel placed like this. You have to press it properly. As much as possible, avoid touching this because we already took out the protective covering here. As much as possible, do not touch. Okay, it will not get you electrocuted, but it will what? Put dirt. Okay, avoid putting on dirt here so that it will catch more energy. So if it catch more solar rays will be converted into energy inside this panel. So it is the part wherein it generates electric energy by converting solar rays into energy. So it looks like that. Okay. So the parts with lines, there are, you can see, can you see it on the monitor? Okay. There are lines. Those lines are the generator. They will generate, those lines will generate solar energy by catching solar rays. So that is the way it is designed. So we are able to finish the solar module. So we already have this gearbox module. Gearbox module, we have solar module, and please wait for the next module to be assembled. Again, this is Dr. EYPEI, preaching engineering for nation building.